my channel. Today we are going to talk about the series of operations. So let's go. In series of operation, we have 4 rules. We have the M dash, EM dash, PM dash, and GM dash. But first, we're going to take a look at M dash. So in M dash, it stands for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So imagine you seeing a problem like this. 2 times 3 plus 2 minus 4. So if you see a problem like this, you have to remember the M dash rule, which is multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So you're going to solve like this. You must solve 2 times 3 first, because it involves with multiplication. So 2 times 3 is equivalent to 6. Now that you have the answer for 2 times 3, we're now going to solve for the other problem, which is plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equivalent to 8. Now we have the answer, we're going to minus it with 4. 8 minus 4 is equivalent to 4. So 2 times 3 plus 2 minus 4 is equivalent to 4. Next, we have the EM dash. EM dash stands for exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So here's the problem for EM dash. 2 to the second power times 2 to the fourth power plus 2 to the fifth power. So what you're going to do here first, since these numbers are all exponential numbers, after EM dash, we have the PM dash, which is parenthesis, sometimes G or groupings, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Since PM dash can also be considered as GM dash, you might be seeing some problems that are inside a parenthesis, brackets, or braces. So you must remember, parenthesis is the first one to perform, brackets are the second one to perform, and braces are the third or the last one to perform. So this is the example for PEM dash. 2000 minus 100 divided by 10. The first thing you have to do is to answer the problem in the parenthesis, for it is the first one to perform. So 100 divided by 10 is equivalent to 10. But if you look closely to the problem, there's an exponent. So what you're going to do with that exponent is that you are going to add it with the number 10. So it's going to turn into 10 cubed. Now that we have the answer for the parenthesis, we can now subtract it with 2000. So in order to subtract 2000 to 10 cubed, we must find the standard form for 10 cubed, which is 1000. Now that we have the standard form, we can now subtract 2000 to 1000. 2000 minus 1000 is equivalent to 1000. And that is how you answer PEM dash. And last but not the least, we have the GM dash, which is the groupings, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So this is the example for GM dash. 2 divided by plus 5 and 8 plus 2. So the first thing we have to do is to add 8 plus 2, because it's inside the parenthesis. So 8 plus 2 is equivalent to 10. Now that we have that answer, we can finally go ahead and divide it with number 2. 10 divided by 2 is equivalent to 5. Now that we have that answer, we can finally add it to number 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, and that is the answer. And that is how you solve GM dash.